What's the meaning of body mass index? Body mass index. Body mass index.
Body mass index. Body mass index. Body mass index, BMI, is a measure of body fat based on height and weight. It is calculated by dividing a person's weight in kilograms by their height in meters squared. The result indicates whether an individual is underweight, normal weight, overweight, or obese. A BMI of less than 18.5 is considered underweight. A BMI between 18.5 and 24.9 is considered normal weight. A BMI between 25.0 and 29.9 is considered overweight, and a BMI of 30.0 or higher is considered obese. BMI is widely used as a screening tool to assess an individual's risk of developing health problems related to being overweight or obese.